Yeah, you're welcome here. We see that this question is 2023 Y question number 3 objective. Solve 2 to the power of 5x divided by 2 to the power of x equal to fifth root of 2 to the power of 10. Right, question is from in the sixth odd. We said that is from exponential equation. Right. Now, you note the right things or the right steps that you need to take for you to have the value of x. Right. Now, have solution. Right. Now, what can you do now? You need to remember the rules that govern the indices or this kind of questions. We have quotient law, right? Or rule. Right. Now, we see that if we have a to power of 3 divided by a to power of 2, right, that will be equal to a, which is the power of 3 minus 2, and it will be equal to a, right? That need to come to your mind. Now, we see that this second one here is the same thing to this left-hand side of the equation, right? We see that a to power of 3 divided by a to power of 2, that will be equal to a to power of 3 minus 2, which is equal to a. So now we need to apply this here, right? What will be the result of it? Now that's mean the 2 to power of 5x minus x, right? When we apply this root here, now it will be equal to fifth root of 2 to power of 10. Right. Now, we remembered what we called the power root. We have fifth root of 2 to power of 10, right? Which is the same thing here. We have it as the same thing here, which they look like. So we applied this root here, or we have applied this property here to this, right? Now, we see that if we have the y root of a to power of x, that the result to be equal to a to power of x power of what? Of 1 over 2. This power of power, right? And it be equal to a to power of x over y, right? So the result now, we have 2 to power of 4x, which is 5x minus x. So we give you 4x, right? And it would be equal to 2 to power of 10 multiplied by 1 over 5, which is power by power, as this, right? So let's proceed. So we have this here. We have 2 to power of 4x to be equal to 2 to power of 10 over 5 when we multiply the power of power, right? So the result will become this, right? Now, the next step that you need to take is that we need to divide this by 5, which is the result. 2 to power of 4x will be equal to 2 to power of 2. 10 divided by 5, it will be equal to 2, right? Now, we look at the basics now that they are equal. We have base 2 here, base 2 here. So, and the law says that if the bases are equal, then their powers must be equal. So, which is for x equal to 2, right, as the power. Now, you can divide both sides by 4 for us to, for this 4 to cancel, we need to divide both sides by 4. That we have 4x divided by 4 equal to 2 divided by 4. And we see that 4 will cancel 4 out. So x will be equal to 1 half. Thank you. You see that these options that is correct among these our options, that you see the C is the right option. Thank you for your time. You can still watch for more of this. Thank you.